Intro hook. Have you ever wanted to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies but felt overwhelmed by the KYC process? Well, today, we're going to explore a platform that might just be the answer: Newton. Building context. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is a standard procedure in most crypto exchanges. It's a way to prevent money laundering and other illegal activities. However, for some people, the KYC process can be a barrier to entry. Maybe you're concerned about privacy, or perhaps you're just looking for a quick and easy way to get started. Enter Newton. This Canadian-based exchange has gained popularity for its user-friendly interface and, most importantly, its ability to allow users to transfer funds without completing a full KYC verification. The basics of Newton. Before we get into the how-to, let's quickly go over what Newton is. It's a cryptocurrency exchange platform where you can buy, sell, and trade various digital assets. Think of it as a digital stock market for cryptocurrencies. Steps to transfer on Newton without KYC. Create an account. The first step is to create a Newton account. This is a straightforward process that involves providing your basic information, such as your name and email address. Fund your account. Once you've created an account, you'll need to fund it. This is where Newton's unique approach comes in. Unlike many other exchanges, you can fund your account using Interac e-Transfer. This is a popular Canadian payment method that doesn't require any extensive verification. Make a transfer. Now that your account is funded, you can start transferring funds. Simply select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. Important considerations. Asterisk. While Newton allows transfers without full KYC, there are some important things to keep in mind. Firstly, the amount you can transfer without verification is limited. Secondly, there might be restrictions on certain cryptocurrencies or features. It's also worth noting that while Newton is a reputable exchange, no investment is without risk. Always do your own research and understand the potential risks before investing in cryptocurrencies. Advantages of Newton. Ease of use. Newton is designed to be user-friendly, making it a great option for beginners. No full KYC. The ability to transfer funds without full KYC verification is a major advantage for many users. Interac e-Transfer. Using Interac e-Transfer for funding makes the process quick and convenient. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Transferring on Newton without KYC is a relatively simple process that can be completed in a few steps. If you're looking for a way to get started with cryptocurrencies without going through the hassle of full verification, Newton might be the right choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.